Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Are you sick of watching others live their dream lives while you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of scarcity? What if I told you that the words you speak today hold the power to attract wealth into your life? Yes, you heard that right. Just 6 words that can bring you all the wealth you ever desired. But wait, before we dive in, let me ask you something. Will you have the courage to speak these words with unwavering conviction? Will you take bold action and fully embrace the principles of the law of attraction? Because remember, it's not enough to merely say the words. You must live them with every fiber of your being. First, let's discuss someone very important. Eric Butterworth was an American writer and speaker who played a vital role in the New Thought movement. Now, what was his belief? Eric believed that we have the power to co-create our universe. Yes, you heard that right. We can actually shape our reality through our thoughts and consciousness. Eric saw God not as some external being, but as a creative force flowing through everything that exists. It's like this incredible energy pulsating within us and all around us. Now, listen up. Each and every one of us has access to this powerful force. It's like having a direct line to unlimited potential. And guess where it all begins? Yep, you got it, the mindset. We need to shift our mindset from scarcity to abundance. Let go of those thoughts that hold us back and embrace the infinite possibilities that surround us. Think about it like this. Imagine you have this treasured chest, and inside it is an abundance of opportunities, love, and prosperity. But the key to unlocking it lies in our mindset. We gotta flip that switch from scarcity mode to abundance mode. You know, they say the law of attraction is like a cosmic magnet, pulling in whatever we think and feel. It's as if the universe has its own Amazon Prime, delivering precisely what we put out there. Sounds wild, right? Picture this. Quantum physics tells us that everything is energy. Yes, everything. And that includes our thoughts and emotions. So when we emit positive energy, it sets off these incredible vibrations that can actually shape the reality we experience. Eric Butterworth defined consciousness in a fascinating way. For him, it's not just some abstract thing, it's a state of being, a state where our mind, body, and spirit are in perfect harmony. Imagine it as a tranquil oasis of peace, love, joy, and fulfillment. Prosperity, my friends, is more than just money and material possessions. It's a way of living and thinking. It's about embracing abundance in all its forms and basking in the glorious symphony of life. The law of attraction works its magic when we align our thoughts, emotions, and energy with what we desire. If we radiate positive vibes, especially when it comes to money, the universe can't resist responding in kind. It's like the ultimate give and take relationship. Let me tell you a story. Imagine this. There was a young person who wanted to learn from a wise and respected monk. He went up to the monk and asked a burning question. How can I become wise? And what happened next will totally surprise you. The monk took the young person to a peaceful stream. Out of nowhere, the monk dumped the young person's head under water for just a few seconds. Can you guess how the young person reacted? Let's just say it wasn't pretty. After coming up, the young person was furious and demanded an explanation from the monk. He couldn't understand why he had to go through that and how it had anything to do with wisdom. But here's where it gets really interesting. The wise monk said, "When you were underwater, what did you want the most?" The young person was confused and replied, "To breathe, of course." The monk explained that wisdom is like an unquenchable thirst for knowledge, just like desperately needing air when you're running out of breath. It's that constant desire to learn more, find answers, and grow on our journey. The young person realized that wisdom wasn't only about gathering knowledge. Oh no, my friends, it goes much deeper. It's about nurturing that burning curiosity inside us, always craving growth and new insights. So now let's talk about prosperity and how it connects to evolving. You see, just like poverty is a specific way of living and thinking, so is prosperity. They're like two separate paths, one leading to scarcity and the other to abundance. That separation is just an illusion. Our thoughts and intentions shape our reality. So if we want to attract money or anything else we desire, we must align ourselves with the bigger picture. It's all interconnected, my friends. You know, financial struggles can often be a reflection of what's going on within us. It's like our internal state of consciousness manifests itself in our external circumstances. When we feel overwhelmed or sense that something's off, it's because we're out of sync with the divine flow. Now let's talk money. Have you ever felt the weight of lack or the feeling that you don't deserve financial abundance? Trust me, we've all been there. But fear not, because I'm about to reveal 6 magical words that can release these negative feelings. Are you ready? Here they are. I accept, I deserve, I allow. Say them with conviction and watch the magic unfold. Step 1. Accept all the money the universe wants to send your way. Direct your energy towards abundance and prosperity. Believe me, it's coming your way, so be ready to receive. Step 2. Affirm your worth as a divine being. You are a part of something greater, my friends, something truly magnificent. By allowing this abundance into your life, you let go of limiting beliefs and negative thoughts that block your practical abundance. Step 3. Practice the presence of the substance of God, of divine energy, with diligence and persistence. This means nurturing a deep sense of connection with the spiritual realm. And guess what? Prosperity will start flowing into your life. It's all about mindfulness. Focusing our thoughts and energy on positive and prosperous outcomes, being grateful for the abundance we already have, and most importantly, taking action to achieve our goals. Remember, everything in this vast universe, including money and wealth, is made of the divine substance of God. So, by acknowledging its presence and inviting it into our lives, we can attract more of it. Are you ready to welcome prosperity and abundance? I know I am. Let's allow it to flow into every aspect of our lives. Let's let health flow, let love flow, and above all, let the divine flow within us. Embrace your inherent power, my friends, and watch your whole life transform. Stay tuned for more incredible insights and adventures on our channel. Until then, keep the flow going, and remember, you are destined for greatness.